3284 West 127th virtual tour. Let's go inside. As you can see, we got a nice front porch here. It's all been freshly painted. This house is loaded with room. Nice living room here. You can see it's all been redone, all freshly painted, plugs, switches, lights. You walk into the living room to the dining room. And you have plenty of storage there. 2 bedrooms on the first floor. They're all pretty good size too. So new blinds, very private. You see. It's a 2-bathroom, so a new toilet. You have a tub and shower on the first floor. Here's a second bedroom. And again, this door will be locked, so this will be a full bedroom. So you can access to the other door on the other bedroom. So again, this is a nice bedroom, and then a kitchen, nice big kitchen, new flooring. We painted the cabinets, all good. Has a upstairs. We'll get all this stuff out of here too. This is going upstairs bedroom. It's a master suite up here. So you have a bathroom, full bath. Again, new flooring. You have a nice open area. It's kind of, you can make an office, whatever you want. Here's your bathtub, toilet, vanity. It's a really nice bathroom, full bath here. So, and you have a bedroom here. So, you see this is a nice bedroom. So you have a lot of space here. I'll show you the basement real quick. Again, there's a little area here if you want to put your computer. So let's go. So, down here in the basement, so you have a full basement here. Also, need storage or whatever, it's a big basement. So there's a lot of room down here. Again, this is in the West 127th area, West Cleveland. So, this is your virtual tour. Awesome house. Thanks.